Hey everyone, so I just got my new 2024 Model 3 Performance, and Basenor was nice enough to send over a bunch of things that I need. Organizational types of things. So we are going to check all of this stuff out. I'm going to do an unboxing, look at it real close, so you can see what it looks like, what it feels like, and then we're going to put it in my car and check it out. And if we get hungry, we're going to eat this pizza. All right, it's not a pizza. This is actually a sunshade, which I need. Turns out Model 3, older Model 3 and the new Model 3 Highland, they're different. They look so close, so similar in so many ways. I didn't think the roof would actually be different, and it is. I have some sunshades for my old 2018 Model 3. They don't fit in here, and honestly, it was kind of shocking. It was just off by enough, right, to make everything not fit. So again, this is great because it's summertime and I am cooking in this new car. So all right, let's go. And as usual, all the links below, and don't forget the discount code TeslaMark. Try it out, works just about everywhere. All right, let's see what we've got in the box. All right, let's start with this smaller box too. And what do we got here? Okay, I need a holder for my glasses or sunglasses, and this should do it. Instructions, which you don't need because you got me. All right, so this feels like silicone, and are these magnets or are they? Okay, that is an adhesive. All right, so this will probably go on the center console, but let's check it out when we put it in the car. Okay, next. Oh, nice. I need this badly. Center console organizer. It's got that nice kind of felt to it, so nothing jingles around, nothing gets scratched in there. Okay, cool, cool. All right, what is next? Okay, another organizer. All right, same thing. It's got that nice felt finish. Looks like it's got some spots for coins in there, different compartments. All right, we'll check this out more when we get it in the car. Cool, cool. All right, let's see what we got. A table. For what? For this. Nice. All right, it's got a little bit of like a rubbery feel to it. So this comes off, I imagine, so you could like clean it really well. Okay, that's good. And yeah, that's definitely more rubbery, flexible like, and it's got some little grip action there. Otherwise, it's just some basic plastic legs that fold out. Oh, that's what those clips are for. Duh. Okay, so let's put this in the car with everything else we got and check it out. Okay, let's look at the first issue. Right here. Look at that. I've already got a big mess. What do we do with this? Well, if it's anything like my garage, we try to either throw it out or cover it up. In this case, boom. Cover it up. Check it out. Look at how well that matches. That is pretty nice, I gotta say. All right, and if this isn't good enough, check this out. Boom, slides. You can still reach this stuff. So now I can take some of this stuff, whatever, I don't know, either keep it hidden because, who wants to see that, or put it up here on level 2. Oh, this is nice. All right, I'm liking that. This mess, oh man, that's a little embarrassing. All right, but we got something to fix it right here. Check this out. Boom, just like that. Look at how well that matches. This is a little more carpety, this is a little more felty, but I like it. That's nice. Ooh, and check this out. I didn't notice this at first. Little opening there, because we have I've got a USB right here, so I could keep this guy plugged in here, and then, all right, check it out. Oh, bonus. I didn't know it had that. All right, liking this thing even more. So we keep the important stuff up here, and we keep all of the embarrassing stuff down there. Nice. Okay, I like it. Liking it so far. Now, one more thing. So right now, I've been keeping my glasses here. I've got, I think I've got some sunglasses in the glove box. And it's not the worst spot, but if somebody gets in the car, they want to put their phone there. Not so great, not extremely happy with it, but I've been making do. Well, Basenor has the solution for that right here. Check this out. Silicone, super soft, flexible, cleanable, super durable. Well, check this out. This goes right here. Now we can just take these adhesive backings off, stick this sucker right here. We've got some extra room underneath there so you barely see it, and then boom, glasses or whatever, because you know, obviously without it everything's going to slide around there. Also, I was a little bit worried because the old my 2018 Model 3 and prior to Highland, the card reader was here, and typically I don't have to use a card reader, I use my phone, but every now and then you have to use it. And you know, I'm like, oh well, you know, is this going to be a good holder for that, or maybe it's too thick and it won't work? I don't know. But no, they moved the card holder to actually here, or the key reader to somewhere around here. Honestly, haven't used it yet, haven't had to use it, but it's over here, so no concern with putting anything in this spot. So yeah, this is pretty slick. I'm liking it, digging it. All right, really nice. Thank you, Basenor. I'm finally getting my car a little more organized, a little more nice and neat as I prefer it. Recommended. All right, all you fast food junkies out there, which look, I'm going to admit, something's going on this summer. I don't know, I'm about to get the McDonald's app or something to get some rewards, because I seem to be at McDonald's way too often. All right, once, twice a week, but that is way more than I have been in a long time. Not that I don't like McDonald's, obviously, that's what I hit. Super convenient. Anyway, why am I talking about McDonald's? Anyway, it's because I will sometimes eat in the car. I need some food fast. Where do I put it? Where do I put things? You know, you try to put it here and you're just going to mess everything up. And honestly, I worry about this. These little tiny holes in there, I think, are things going to get in there and not be able to get cleaned out easily? I don't know. I'm a little afraid to find out. However, Basenor has that covered with this. Check it out. Tells you right there. Fast food. All right. Legs folded down. Check it out. Boom. Here, now we got a nice tray that, you know, you could just hose this sucker off after you mess it up, which, let's face it, you're going to mess it up. But yeah, that's nice. And all right, let's say you're not into fast food. They didn't put a little laptop icon in here, but tell people it's for your laptop, okay? How about that? You don't want to admit to fast food. Tell them it's for your laptop, that you know, you're working so hard. Tell your boss you got to put your laptop here and do work in the car. Pretty slick, pretty slick. And then again, fold these down, and probably the best place to store this is here. But look, I'm going to admit, well, you know what, that's not bad. That's not bad. And it doesn't get in the way. People are sitting, they're going to be here. It's not really in the way of the passenger, and it's definitely not in your way. If you're really worried about passengers, you know, you could put it on this side too. But anyway, that's probably as good a place as any to store it. So yeah, you know what, I gotta say, recommend it. I'm liking this thing.